Hi there everyone. Today I'll teach you how to draw a beautiful butterfly family. Let's begin by drawing the baby butterfly. Draw a circle for the face and 2 circles inside for the eyes. The eyes should be big like this for the baby. And the mouth should be small for the baby. Now I'm going to draw a bow on the head. This is a little girl butterfly. And for the body, you have to draw the body like this. It should be small compared to the face. Now just draw a line like this with a pencil. It's just a reference line to draw the wings. It will be really helpful if you draw a line like this. Now you can see I'm ending the wings here. The wings should be of the same size on the left and right and the same shape. Now I'm drawing some designs on its wings. You can draw any kind of designs. The only thing is they should be same on the left and right. See how I'm drawing the same designs on the left wing and the right wing. I'm drawing some shapes, triangle and circle. For the baby butterfly, I've drawn the head big compared to the body and wings. Next, I'm going to draw mommy butterfly. Drawing a bigger circle for its face. Big eyes. You can draw eyelids like this or just leave it blank as in the baby butterfly. For mommy butterfly, I'm drawing the lips like this and big eyelashes. Gives the look of a mommy butterfly. Again, I'm drawing a bow on her head. Now I'm using the pencil again to draw a line. This will help us to draw the wings better. See how I'm drawing her wings using this line. For mommy butterfly, I'm drawing a more pointed wings. The wings on the left and the wings on the right should be of the same size and shape. Now I'm drawing some designs on her wings. Butterflies have different types of designs on their wings. You can draw any design as per your wish. The only thing is, it should be same on the left wing and the right wing. You can also draw according to your imagination. See how I'm drawing the same design on the left wing and the right wing. Antenna. Next, I'm going to draw Daddy Butterfly. Just like the others, I'm drawing a circle for his face. Two circles. These are for glasses. He's wearing glasses. A small mouth. Body. He's wearing a tie, just to show that it's Daddy Butterfly. I'm drawing a tie and again the reference line using a pencil. See how I'm drawing the wings through the reference line. The wings ends here on the reference line like this. You can darken the outline of the wings like this. You can also darken the drawing after you have completed it. When the outline is dark, it will be looking good. The lower wings. And again, I'm drawing some designs. I'm drawing simpler designs for Daddy Butterfly. You can use your imagination and draw many types of designs. Now I'm rubbing those reference lines which I've drawn. And finally, I'm just darkening the outlines to make the drawing look better. You can draw this drawing using a pencil at first, and once you're satisfied with the drawing, you can use a sketch pen or marker and draw the outlines like this before coloring. It's always best to draw using pencils. Now for the baby butterfly. A little chain for Mummy Butterfly. Now I'm drawing a heart shape. Shows a loving family. See how the family is happy and smiling. Hope you like this drawing. Thanks for watching. Bye.